Step 1, you're going to need a memory card. Easy. Step 2, download macOS, whatever version you're using. You're going to have to upload it and take it and put it on your memory card. Simple. That's it. Alright. Go to your store, download, get. Even though you have it, you have to download it. It's going to take you about half an hour, and you're going to place it in your memory card. Pause the video right here. Go to this website, Apple support, right here, and you're going to copy and paste. Right here, copy whatever version of Windows you have. But first, you're going to have to rename your memory card so you can boot it. My volume, no spaces. Alright? You know how to do that, right? Now copy whatever version of Windows you have, copy the whole link. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is go to Launchpad, go to Terminal. If you can't find it, just go to search and type it in, Terminal, right here. And this is basic. You're going to click once and you're going to paste. Command V. Command V. You're going to paste the link in here. Enter or return. Now you're going to enter your password here. Simple. Click OK. Right here. And then erase yes. Press Y and OK. Boom. Like that. You're done. You're done. Wait a few minutes and boom. You're ready to go. Alright. Let's take your MacBook apart. This is simple. You're going to use one tool for the whole thing. One screwdriver for the whole thing. Take your screws off. Let's pop it open. I make it easy for you here. And it's pretty simple. Unhook your battery. Don't forget. Take your battery out. Don't take it out, but unplug it. Next, take your SSD card out. Unscrew it and pull it out. Comes right out. Alright. You need an extension for this new SSD card. Okay? I don't know why, but you do. They're cheap. Here we go. You're going to take the extension and you're going to plug your new evil SSD card in your extension. Okay? I'll show you how this is done right here. Just lay it, push it in. Simple. Real simple. Clicks right in. Then you're going to place it back in. I know. This is easy. Screw it in there. And you're done. You're literally done here. Plug your battery back in. Come on. Alright. Open your computer. Remember, power, option. Alright. That's it. Power, option. Boom. Click install and you're done. You are literally done. Wasn't that easy? Yep, and then go to install, click continue. Yeah, it's that easy, guys. Easy money. Click continue again. Oh, whoops. Yep, agree. Untitled, yours should say SSD, or you can rename it OS. Oops, I gotta plug it in for this. Here we go. Boom. We're installing. We're done. That's it. That's how easy it is, everybody. Oh, boom. 10 minutes later, you're done. Easy, wasn't it? Now you got 500 gigs of storage. God bless. Bye.